So the mentor program is designed to give our students opportunity to get connected with faculty and staff here on campus and give them the opportunity to be successful. It's one of the best practices that we found throughout the CSUs and kind of help our students through those hurdles.
Overall, my experience has been great. My mentor, EJ, he's motivated me. I've been more prepared and organized, and ever since then, I've just been on top of my game because of EJ.
The reason the program is created is we want to see our students get off to a great start. We know that getting into college is an amazing feat, and we're so proud of our students to get here, and we want to see them continue to be successful. And so the impetus behind the program is to really help make sure our students have a great first year and to really set them up to be successful as students at CSUB.
I think it's what I needed for college. Seems like I'm a different person. I'm on track, and I'm getting pretty good grades, so it's pretty good so far.
I think it's very important that students have somebody to go to just talk to. It could be very intimidating to come to college and not know anybody, not have anybody to talk to. And I think a mentor would be a great opportunity for that person to introduce them to the campus, introduce them to programs, and just what the school has to offer.
I felt Kareem was more as a father figure, because he was always there for me. And he was always on me like, oh yeah, do this and do that. And I'm just happy that I signed up for this mentoring program.
I really appreciate you a lot, and you really helped my college experience, for real.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you.
When I signed up for you, you just opened me to a new, different world, and to see the university in a different way. And I just want to say here, thank you, man, for always being different, man.
Man, hey, it's been a pleasure, man. Just looking forward to meeting with him every week. Just looking forward to him coming to the office and just walking in and just having that conversation. It's a break in my day when I get to sit down and talk to Mario for an hour. So like I said, it's helping me more than he knows. And I'm glad that I was introduced to this young man.